Hey tech lovers! Today, we're diving into something that's about to shake the smartphone world, the all-new OnePlus 15. If you think you've seen everything in a flagship phone, think again, because this device is bringing a crazy mix of power, style, and AI innovation that might just leave you speechless. Stick around till the end, because I've got a jaw-dropping surprise that only the full viewers will see. Right off the bat, let's talk design. OnePlus 15 is rumored to feature a sleek, almost bezel-less display with a curved edge that makes it feel like holding the future in your hand. The 120Hz AMOLED display ensures ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming, and with HDR10+ support, your favorite shows and movies are going to pop like never before. This is a screen that screams premium, and you'll notice the difference the moment you pick it up. Now, for all the performance geeks, this phone is a beast. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset paired with up to 16GB RAM, meaning lag will be a thing of the past. Multitasking, heavy gaming, and AI-powered apps run effortlessly, making it one of the fastest smartphones you can get. And yes, OnePlus has supercharged the battery, a 5,000 mAh powerhouse with 100W plus fast charging that can get you from 0 to full in under 25 minutes. Imagine the convenience of never waiting hours just to get back to your phone. Speaking of AI, OnePlus 15 is said to include next-level AI camera enhancements. The triple camera setup, including a 200MP main sensor, ensures every shot you take is Instagram-ready. From low-light night shots to ultra-wide landscapes, the AI does the heavy lifting, intelligently adjusting colors, exposure, and focus so you get the perfect picture every time. Video recording? Expect 8K at 60 frames per second, cinematic quality right in your pocket. But the excitement doesn't stop there. OnePlus 15 introduces smart AI features that learn your habits, optimizing battery, managing apps, and even suggesting content based on how you use your phone. It's like having a personal assistant that anticipates your every need. And with OnePlus OxygenOS 15, the software feels smooth, clean, and fast, giving you a truly immersive experience. Now, I know you're wondering about the launch. Rumor has it, OnePlus 15 is dropping very soon, and the hype is real because every year, OnePlus raises the bar for flagship devices. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who loves a sleek, powerful phone, this one promises to deliver. Here's a little suspense for you. OnePlus has hinted at a special surprise feature hidden inside the OnePlus 15. I can't reveal everything just yet, but trust me, it's something that could change the way you interact with your phone forever. Stick around after the launch for my hands-on review, because you won't want to miss that reveal. Before we wrap up, remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. OnePlus 15 is not just a phone. It's an experience designed for those who demand speed, style, and intelligence all in one package. So get ready, tech fans, because the future of smartphones is arriving, and it's brighter than ever. And finally, the surprise I promised. You might just find an exclusive software feature or hidden mode that nobody else will know about until the phone officially launches. Imagine having the first glimpse before anyone else. It's going to be epic.